This is the last exercise I can do before my operation. Today I am at the Island Nature Reserve and I am doing a charity hike for rhinos. You can do 16 or you can do 6, and I think you can guess which one I'm choosing to do. I am with my sister, my cousin and her friend, and we are going to take you with us. Enjoy the video. Woohoo! Off to an absolutely beautiful start. Hectic downhill. Here we go. There's my companion. Hello, Crystal. How was that uphill? And then the next uphill. Here we go again. Here's another uphill. Kom. Akkel. So now the path is becoming a little bit more overgrown, which just shows us that not many people come this way. And oh, it's been a while, and the soil, you can see how dark it is moist, so you gotta watch your step.
I fell and I landed like this.
Oh, like a ballerina.
Yes.
So what started out as a family hike is ending as a solo finish. Woo! Can't even talk. And I've reached the finish line. Woo-hoo! Thank you! Goodness, that was hard. But I got my heart rate up and I really enjoyed the running I did. I mean, is this even me? I can't believe that I ran a trail or part of a trail. Let's not get overexcited. But this is the last exercise I can do before my operation. And keep watching and subscribe, and you will see which operation I am due to do in the next 3 days. So today's Saturday, so on Tuesday I'm being booked in for an operation. Don't worry, I'm okay, but you will hear about it in my upcoming videos. So please subscribe so that you can keep up to date and take that journey with me. So this is it for the next 4 weeks, and then only after that I can get my heart rate up again. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.